Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Stalker 2, part of Chernobyl, if it's crashing or it's crashing on startup. Alright, first thing that you need to try here is to just simply restart the computer, as a simple restart may help fix the issue. Now once done restarting, go ahead and launch the game and see if it helps. Now if that will work, locate the game shortcut right here. Alright, right click on it and hit on properties. And when it says here target, in the shortcut tab, target, click on the end of the text, hit space, and type in -dx12. Alright, once done, hit on apply, hit OK, and check if it helps. Now if that won't work, try in dx11, hit apply, hit OK, and see if it helps. Alright, if that won't work, now try in -windowed. Alright, once done, hit apply, hit OK, and check if it helps again. Now if you are using Steam, alright, for example here, a game from Steam, you can't do a properties and see the shortcut tab. So what we're going to do is open up the Steam app, library, go to library. Alright, now right click on the game, go to manage, and simply hit on browse local files and find the game exe. With the same set of steps, just try and do dx12, dx11, or try in windowed. Alright, now that still won't work, you may want to try to run the game as an administrator. For example here, this one, right click on it, hit on properties, compatibility tab, tick on run this program as administrator, hit apply, hit OK, check the game if it helps. Now if this won't help, while the run this program as administrator is still ticked, go to run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 10 if it's an option if you are from Windows 11, and also you may want to try Windows 8. Alright, once done, hit apply, hit OK, check the game if it helps. If that still won't work, try and disable full screen optimizations, then go to change high DPI settings, override high DPI, scale and behavior, scale and perform by application of course. Then once done, hit OK, hit apply, hit OK, run the game again and see if it helps. And again, for Steam users, you're gonna want to go to the Steam directory again, browse local files right here, locate the game for example. Alright, this one, right click on it, properties, so you can change the compatibility options. Alright, now if that's not work, the last option right here is to go to your NVIDIA control panel by just simply right clicking on a blank space on your computer, then go to NVIDIA control panel. This is only for the people who uses NVIDIA graphics card. Alright, now once you're in here, just go to manage 3D settings and wait for it to load. Now go to program settings. Alright, click on the drop down right here and locate your game. If you can't locate your game right here, just go ahead and tick on add, browse, and locate the game. Alright, once done, once you have added the game right here, select, then scroll down a bit. In CUDA GPUs, make sure to click on this drop down and select your GPU. Once done, just hit on OK, hit apply. Your screen will flicker, so it's fine. Once done, just close this one, run the game again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps them. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.